Let's learn how to recover a Monopoly Go account. If you want to recover your Monopoly Go account but don't know how, you don't have to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. What you need to know is that you can only recover an account that was linked to a Facebook or Apple account. If you played on a guest account, you can't recover it. If you had a connected account, follow these steps. First, you need to open the Monopoly Go game. When you open the game, you'll be on the screen with the game board. From that screen, click on the 3 horizontal lines in the upper right corner of the screen. When you click on that, a menu with several options will open. From all those options, you need to click on the last option, which is the settings option. When you click on that, a screen with several options will open. You need to click on the option called Customer Service. When you click on that, a screen with many articles will open. From all those articles, you need to click on Share Your Thoughts at the bottom of the screen. After clicking on that, a screen with a single option will open, which you need to click on. When you click on that, a screen where you need to scroll all the way down will open. Once you have scrolled down, click on the option Chat with Us. When you click on that, a chat with support will open. Now, you need to explain your problem to them, that you want to recover your account. They will ask you to send a few things, and whatever they ask for, you should write it down and follow their instructions. Once you follow all the instructions, you will successfully recover your account. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.